You might be missing one of the smartest productivity tools available today. Whether you're a freelancer, marketer, entrepreneur, or content creator, time is your most valuable asset. Manual work slows your growth and limits your income. That's where this AI platform comes in. It's designed to help automate repetitive tasks, improve productivity, and streamline your workflow so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. Whether you're creating content, managing projects, or boosting efficiency, it aims to save both time and effort. Imagine getting more done in less time, reducing your workload, and staying ahead with AI-powered tools. For anyone looking to work smarter instead of harder, it's definitely worth checking out. If you're curious to see how it works, click the link in the description and explore it for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tools that can help you grow faster.